Hello children, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher Video Assembly. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. And we know that at Grange we have the CC way. We want to be Grange CC learners. And we've been talking about wisdom, and wisdom means thinking and thinking. You don't just rush in and do what you feel like doing. You think about what you're going to do before you do something. So wisdom really means when we're thinking, so that we do, can everybody please touch their ear? We do good listening. Please point to your lips, kind words, and show me your hands, kind hands. That's wisdom. Wisdom is when you know that you should think about what's really important, which is good listening, kind words, and kind hands to make the world a better place. So remember to think before you do anything. So it will help you to live with wisdom. You can see the heart over there. So what I want you to do now, and you're going to do this together with your adult in the class, so hopefully they know what to do. Give yourself a selfie hug. Take your arms, both arms, and wrap them around yourself and give yourself a selfie hug. And take your hands and clap them above your head. Give yourself a selfie high five. Be proud of yourself, a selfie high five. And can you please send a message for the world? You know how to do it with your fingers and your thumbs, and make a heart and show it to the world. Tuita does it beautifully. You can all do this. Let me see you doing it. Message for the world. Make it go in and out, and there is your message for the world. And then can you put your hands together really strong and squeeze? And just remember that we are all stronger together. So let's do that together. 1, 2, 3. Selfie hug. Selfie high five. Message for the world. We are stronger together. Now let's count to 3. And let's just count to 3. Let's do this. 1. Show me 1 finger. 2. Show me 2 fingers. 3. Show me 3 fingers. Now, if we can do that together, when we get to 3, let's say, and it's a new big word, curious. Can you say that word with me, please? Curious. And when we get to 3, you're going to say, I love being curious. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. I love being curious. So what does being curious mean? Well, it means asking lots of questions so that you can find out more. Being curious means you want to learn new things. And being curious means you're really interested in what other people have to say. And being curious means you want to travel and see new parts of the world. So, I want you to be curious now and think of a question you can ask your friend. Pause the video and have a lovely discussion because you have thought of a question for your friend. So think of the question and then ask your friend the question. Remember the Grange CC way. Can you put your hand on your heart and say confident, and then make your hand circle outwards, and that's considerate. Confidence and consideration. Who were the stars of the week? Well, Harris was brilliant, well done. Adara was amazing, and Yusuf was brilliant, And Unik was fantastic. Well done. Let's just look at those names again. Well done, gold people. And we can all be proud of them. And remember, this is Freddie, Miss Edwards' dog, and he said if we get lots and lots of points and we all do good learning, that he's going to make us a video. And you know what? You can ask your teacher or your educator, the adults in your classroom, you can ask them to find on the YouTube channel Freddie's special videos he made, because he's so proud of all of you children for learning so well this half term. I think you're going to enjoy those videos. Remember to be great, to be Grange children. Live your lives with confidence and consideration and enjoy the week ahead. Do brilliant learning, be safe and happy, and let's learn together, let's respect each other, let's achieve our potential, let's be great, be Grange.